If you're looking for a way to get your kids excited about spending more time outside, this gardening set is such a fun idea. What I love about this kit is that it includes literally everything that your kid needs to actually participate in gardening. It's not just pretend play. You get the wheelbarrow, gardening tools, watering can, flowering pots, gloves, an apron, and even plant labels. I also really appreciate that all the tools have metal heads and wooden handles instead of being made entirely of plastic. They feel so much more durable and can handle actual real gardening tasks while still being sized appropriately for kids. As a parent, I especially love that it includes an apron, gloves, and a potting mat because they help keep some of the mess contained while the kids are actually digging and planting. Beyond just being fun, it's actually a really great hands-on learning activity that helps teach kids responsibility, patience, and how plants grow. It's a really great way to spend quality time together outdoors. And as a bonus, it all tucks away nicely in the wheelbarrow. So thank you to this brand for gifting this to me to share with you.